Hey guys, so we're here with Johnny Luci and his 37 Chev truck. And Johnny, you were saying this thing's got a big block in it?
Yeah, 454.
What sort of power?
550 it makes.
550 and turbo 490?
400, 3.5 stall, 9-inch stiff, true track.
Use it for a bit of towing?
Use it for everything.
Yeah. So we saw it at Summonouts doing some skids, and you reckon you're going to do some skids today?
Oh, you'll see it again.
Yeah.
You'll see it today too.
You're going to run it down the track at all?
Yeah, we're going to race it today.
Awesome. That's awesome. Now you're saying that this thing, you picked it up off eBay, but they dragged it out of the bush.
Yeah, I bought it off a guy that Tamworth was in the bush.
Yeah.
And we brought it home, dragged it on the truck, brought it home, stripped it. In 6 months we built it.
Wow. You reckon you've lowered it like about a foot or more?
Over a foot.
Yeah, that's awesome. So you said you cut all the suspension off it, you put jag front end in it?
Yeah, and we put a 9-inch on the rear.
Yep.
Put changed all the spring suspension in the rear.
That's awesome. So
it's got air conditioning, power steering.
Air conditioning, power steering. That's a great little street truck, isn't it? You know?
Yeah.
And well usable too.
Oh, I drive it anyway. My wife drives it.
Your wife drives it?
Yeah, she drives it anyway.
Wow. All right, cool. Well, we'll see you out there on the burnout pad
Thank
later
you.
and some drag racing as well.
No
I'm
problem.
looking forward to seeing how fast it runs.
Oh, yeah, me too. I've raced it before, ran 13 O's, so we'll see how it goes today.
See if you can get in the 12s.
Yeah, we'll get in the 12s today.
HT 350 Chev on board. Craig Bailey behind